Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today video topic is gauge glass and procedure of blow through of gauge glass. So first question came into mind that what is gauge glass. So these are the some pictures of gauge glass that you can see on your screen. So what is gauge glass? Gauge glass is an indicating device which indicates the level of water present inside the boiler, and it's very important to know the level of water present inside the boiler, because level is too low or level is too high, it will be problem for the boiler. Tubes can be burst, or there is another problem if water is too high, it can overflow also. So from gauge glass we come to know about the exact level of water inside the boiler. There are some conditions in which we need to blow through the gauge glass. So let's see what are the conditions. So basically there are four conditions. First condition, during every watch. This condition is not necessary. Some ships they are following, some ships they are not following, so it's not compulsory condition. Comes to second condition, water level is not working matching in both the gauge glasses. There are two gauge glasses on a boiler, one on port side, another one on starboard side, port and starboard or left or right of the boiler. So if the level is not matching in both the boiler, they are showing different readings, so at that time there is some problem in the gauge glass, we need to blow through it. Third condition, during steaming of gauge glass. If gauge glass is cloudy because of steam or some like fog inside the gauge glass, at that time we need to blow through the gauge glass. Fourth and the last condition, when water level is more than the normal water level. There is a normal water level of the boiler, let's say 70% is the normal or maximum water level of the boiler. Above 70 we are not filling the boiler or feeding the boiler. So if gauge glass is showing 85 or 70, 80, 85, 75, this is the level of water it is gauge glass is showing. This means something wrong with the gauge glass, or steam is not coming in the exact amount, or there is some particles stuck in between the steam line or steam coke, because steam is the only one who balance the level of water, exact level of water which is present inside the boiler in the gauge glass. So these are the four conditions at the time we will blow through the gauge glass. So let's come to the procedure. What is the procedure of blow through of gauge glass? This is a small simple diagram of a gauge glass blow through. Now blow through we will do. So this is the simple diagram. So this is the drain coke, this is the water coke, this is the steam coke, and let's say this is the boiler and it is attached to the boiler. This is the gauge glass, this is the level of water inside the gauge glass, this is the upper part is steam. Okay, in normal condition this will remain closed, this will remain open, this will remain open. During gauge glass blow through, our first step is we will close the steam coke. First we will close the steam coke, not water coke. First we will close the steam coke, steam will not pass from this point onwards. Okay, then we will close the water coke, so only water and steam present in this gauge glass. Then we will open the drain coke, the water plus steam it will drain off from the drain coke. Okay, now gauge glass is clear. So this is our first step. Now come to the second step. In second step, first we will open the water coke. When we open the water coke, the water will come and it will drain from the drain coke. Drain coke will still remain open in second step also. So it will come and all the particles which are stuck in between the line or in the water coke, it will blow through this and it will get blow off. Then we will close the water coke. Then we will open the steam coke, and similarly steam will come, all the particles which are stuck in the line or in the steam coke, they will blow through from the drain coke. Then we will close the steam coke. This is our step number 2, and drain coke is still open. Now come to the last and the third step. In the third step we will close the drain coke, then we will open the water coke. When we open the water coke, water will come and it will start rising till the top. Then after some time or just a few minutes, it will start coming down. when it start coming down, then we will open the steam coke. Now steam will come and it will automatically balance the water level inside the gauge glass to the same of the boiler level. And now blow through procedure is completed. And just keep in mind that in the third step, we need to first close the drain coke. Okay, so this is a very small procedure, very simple procedure for the blow through of gauge glass. Okay, so if you like the video, press the like button, because if you press the like button, the video will suggest to other person who are from marine or want to watch this type of content. So please press the like button, comment if you have any suggestion or question, and share the video. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.